Tired of juggling Google Docs links and losing track of important documents in your Basecamp projects? Let's dive right into a game-changing trick linking your Google Docs directly inside your Basecamp folders, making collaboration a breeze. First, open the Basecamp project where you want to add the Google Doc. Navigate to the Documents and Files section. Click the Add a File button. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Link to an external file. Now, grab the Shareable link from your Google Doc. Make sure the sharing settings are appropriate for your team. Paste the link into the URL field provided in Basecamp. Give your linked document a clear and descriptive title in the title field. This helps everyone understand what the document is about at a glance. Click the Post It button to finalize the link. Voila! Your Google Doc is now linked directly within your Basecamp project. Team members can click the link to access and collaborate on the document instantly. Repeat these steps to link all your relevant Google Docs, keeping everything organized and accessible in one central location. Now you can kiss those chaotic document searches goodbye and say hello to streamlined teamwork.